What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maj_KE. Guys, if you are new here, kindly consider subscribing and sharing, watching the video till the end guys. Beautiful morning, and I'm happy to see this day, and meeting my friend here, the traveler himself, time master, keeping time. I'm fine.
I keep time so much.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the time master KE.
Yeah.
And I was just leaving and I met here with my brother Maja.
Yeah.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes.
How have you been? It's been long since you have not been on my channel.
Yeah, it has been long.
Yeah.
Actually, it's long. So
yes.
long.
Yeah, so long. Yes.
I think the last time I was in your channel is when I just bought this bike.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Exactly, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I remember riding on it. How has been your journey, maybe traveling?
Amazing, that's all I can say.
Yeah.
I personally really enjoy traveling.
Yeah.
So traveling on the bike and everything just gives me pure joy.
Yeah. How far have you gone in Kenya? How many counties have you been to?
Honestly, I've not been keeping record, but I think I've done 90% of Kenya.
90%.
90%.
Now we have 10% to go.
Yeah, but now my plan is just now to go out of the country.
Yeah.
I don't need to go, you know. I need to become international, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
So what country are you driving exactly? Sorry. So is it very heavy guys? Yeah. Yeah, so what country are you dreaming exactly to go first?
First, the first country that I'll be going to. It's not actually dreaming, but it's just the plan. Okay, yes, I've always wanted also to do that, but right now I'm going to Uganda.
Uganda?
Yes.
Wow, Uganda is so nice.
Uganda, no, what next? But right now we're going to start with Uganda.
Yeah, Uganda, guys, is my second country also, you know. My Uganda people, kindly subscribe to Time Master.
And if you're watching from Uganda, I'm coming to your country, and if you're in Uganda and you love to meet, just check me out on my channel. You'll find my contact details. Just contact me. I'll not even mind if you want to host me. I'll like
Mercy Empire. Master is coming, so Huh? Nail. Wow, yeah. But it's not in.
We have a nail here, but good thing it did not go through the tire. But even if it went through the tire, I'm using tubeless.
Oh, tubeless.
Yes.
I think it's not. It has not gone in.
I'll go take it out.
Even if you move it, no problem.
Yeah, this one is not inside. I'll take it out later.
Wow, so guys, so this is Time Master. Subscribe to the Time Master, guys. So I'm going to take a ride here. You can drop me to Migori, so we can move.
we get going, huh?
Yeah.
Just a moment.
Yeah. So this is
for my navigation.
Navigation.
Yes.
Wow.
You see, like for example, now I have the map here.
Oh, you have all the maps.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So guys, let's move. Sasa hapo watu wanapanda aje? Okay. Let's take a ride, guys.
My friend here wants gonna get a lift from me up to Migori.
Yeah.
And I thought it's okay. Okay, are you ready? Can you get going?
Yeah. Ready. Let's move, guys. Enjoy the ride with me, guys. So we are moving out of Nyabuhansi. This is our village, Nyabuhansi village.
So, guys, we just started the journey, and I left Nyabuhansi, and this means that the journey officially starts. It's gonna be around almost 400 kilometers on the road for today. Mostly it will be a smooth, easy ride, and we hope for the best that this is gonna be we're gonna make it safely. So I'll go to my home village, get all my necessary documents, especially then from my home now, we'll plan on the next trip, international trip. But guys, I guess you already know, I'm going to Uganda. And Uganda people, see you there. I'm coming to your place, man.
Yeah, Mercy Empire. Say hi to Mercy Empire.
Mercy Empire. Oh, she knows that. I told her already I'm going to Uganda.
Yeah. She's a very nice sister. And I think she can host you.
Yeah, I'll talk to her. And we'll see what happens. But Uganda, I'm coming, guys. My audience, my people, watch out for the videos. They're gonna be so amazing.
Yeah.
And I believe you're going to love it. You know, because it's the first time I'll be traveling out of the country.
Yeah.
Personally, yes, also out of the country first time, but also first time with a bike. So
The bike.
yeah, it's going to be a lot of experience for me and adventure.
Yeah.
And I just can't wait.
Yeah. And if you go to Uganda, kindly go to Road City. Find a person who is called Josh Bravo. Yeah, very nice person. And Soroti also is a very nice city. Yeah, I really love Soroti. And especially the places that I love in Uganda. Soroti city, and not Kampala. The other one is, the other city is not Jinja. I've forgotten the name, but it's a very nice city. Also Kampala is a very nice. We are heading to now. Right now we are still at Nyamuansi. We are heading to Mabera, Migori. Yeah. So
Let's see the map. I don't know if they can see.
so guys, let's move. universities here around here. Yeah, Migori. Yeah, yeah. Around here, guys. Yeah, so guys, we go for nearest garage here so that you can get to know if you can find what you want to this motorbike. You know, it's very unique here. You know, people are used to TVS, yeah, and Oxas, yeah. So those ones are very easy to find spare parts, but this it will be maybe easy, but it will be a little bit maybe hard. Migori town is also the main offices of the county. They are located
County
here.
headquarters.
Yeah, county headquarters. Yeah, so this is the county headquarters. This is where we have the governor's office and everything. Also, Huduma Center is found here in Migori. So the nearest place in our village to find Huduma Center is Migori town. Yeah.
Where you get government services?
Yeah, government services. Also, we have a Hunter, which has also government offices, but not not so much. But in Migori, here is where you can find everything that you want. The nearest from our village, that is Nyabuhansi village. Yeah. So this is how Migori town looks like. Also, this is we call them Kanjo, government officials.
Yeah, revenue collection of,
revenue.
of the county government.
Yeah, so guys, from here you can see how busy this small town, not small town, actually a very big town. Yeah, it's a big town and it's growing very fast, very fast. So this is how it looks like. So this is Migori also Teachers College. Yeah, Migori Teachers College. So this is the first flyover in Migori County, including
It's not flyover, it's a footbridge.
yeah, footbridge, not flyover. Yeah. Sorry for that. It's a footbridge. Yeah. This is the one and only, yes, in our county. Yeah, this is one and only. And also here we have a school, a primary school over
We
here.
are gonna enter here.
Yeah,
There's a mechanical
referred to.
yes. So this is if it's busy.
Yeah. So this is the entrance to the main stage where the cars, you have to pass through here. Yeah, to get to the main stage. Wow, so this is how busy Migori town is. So guys, we are trying to look for a mechanic who can help us in. Oh wow. So we are here. Yeah, so guys, you can see this is this a garage or a motorbike garage? Or how can we call it, guys?
This is something of the sort.
Yeah. So we are here. We want to see if we can repair the motorbike for my friend here to travel safe. He has to maybe change the bearings, and also we have that nail here. Maybe we can try and see if we can. Yeah, you can do the service before traveling. You know, it's very good to travel when you know that you are safe. So yeah, here we are trying to make sure my friend gets the right person to
Sasa acha kwanza niulize exact bearing ya hili tujue kama ziko kabla nifungue.
Yeah, so guys, we're here already. We found this is the one who is going to. Yeah, salimia watu hapo. How are you?
I'm good. Yes.
So you are specialized in motorbikes?
Yes.
Even this one, you know, it's a German machine.
Yes, I know.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, but you are good in, you can do it.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the person who is going to, to help my friend here do the service. So I don't know. How long?
I think
1 hour. Wow. In 1 hour the motorbike will be done. So guys, this is Migori town. This is the main stage over there. So this way goes to the main stage over there. Yes. Nation is here, so I'm wishing you all the best, and let's keep on working and praying for each other. And guys, subscribe to Time Master, see what he has done from the village now going to the world.
Yeah.
Yes.
Officially going out now to the world. You know, I was doing Kenya. I was learning how to adventure, and you know that, you know, getting to understand the bike, how to fix some things, because like now I can fix a couple of things on this bike.
On your own?
On my own.
So you have the tools here?
I don't have the tools yet. They're expensive, so I'm looking now to buy them.
Yeah.
But I can walk into any garage like this and then ask for the tools and fix it myself.
Wow.
So the next thing will be buying now the tools. And now I believe now I'm ready to go out of the country.
Wow.
Yes.
Now the Time Master is ready to go out of the country. Go and give our name outside there.
Sure.
So that from the village to the world, guys.
Anyway, guys, don't forget to check out Maja underscore KE on YouTube.
Thank
he
you.
said he's gonna give me a push up to Migori. He does not have a bike. Most of the time I get an escort from people who own bikes.
Yeah.
But he said no matter what, he's gonna give me an escort from Nyabohansi up to here in Migori, and then he will go back.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
Yeah. For peace and love.
For now, let's fix the bike.
Yeah, so guys, we are finally back at home, and it was really nice enjoying the ride with Master KE. And yeah guys, now I'm back at home. I just took a shower, a very cold shower, because you know nowadays it's very hot here, very much hot. So we were on a motorbike, so you can't feel that hotness because of the wind. That's why guys, you saw me having a lot of having the jackets. But right now it's when I came back, it was a bit now very hot, so I decided to take a cold shower and change from the attire that I had. Yeah, so I'm back safely, guys, and I hope the Time Master will drive safe to his hometown, or rather home village. So I wish one day I can go there, and also is going to travel to Uganda. Big up to, salute to you, my people from Uganda. And one of my friends is coming there. Of course, if you're watching this video, he will be coming, and also on his video you can watch, he will be coming, guys. Kindly support him, and be with him. You know, I really love Uganda. Uganda is like my second home, of course. Yeah, so guys, this is a farm that village grandma and village grandpa planted yams. As you can see from this place, we have yams here. Yeah, these are yams. So just yesterday, we had some people here like uprooting now the yams. Yeah, I think the yams. And the other time I was also doing a video which the yams were there at the main stage here, one of the main stage in our village. There were yams there, and my mom was asking like, you can wait here and see who is buying the yams, so that we can also approach our yams. Yeah, so As you know guys, yams do very well in swampy areas. As I told you, in swampy areas you can see. And this line of water that is passing through here, it helps like to flow the water so that it cannot spoil the yams so much. But also yams need a lot of water to grow. And another thing guys, you know, the yams comes from here and they travel to Nairobi. So I think it's a very good business when you do like business of yams, because they are transported to Nairobi. You know, Nairobi is not easy for you to plant things like yams, maize, and yeah, maybe kales. But you know, sometimes I'm not saying bad, but some places in Nairobi they plant the kales in a very like not swampy area, but what do you call it, like in some place which is not clean, you know, like there's dirty water and something like that. Like the drainage of water is very bad. You can get someone is planting kales where the sewage is, exactly sewage is. So it's not, I don't think that is very healthy. But here in our village, let me show you guys, here in our village, so this is how they approach the yams, and you can see they are very big, huh? Even from the look of the holes, they are very big. I don't know if you can find one, guys. Yeah, they are very big. So guys, as I'm hey, this place is swampy, have to be very careful. So you can see this is a small one, I think. Yeah, have a lot of them which have remained here. See, like this, these are small ones, but from the look of the holes, the yams were so much big. So guys, as I was telling you, like see how these kales are really good. They are very healthy. But now sometimes in the evening we experience a lot of rain. So you can see how they have, like, the garden is like done. You see, they have some water drainage, you see, and the kales are really like healthy, very much healthy. And right now I think you know, kales don't have season. You can plant anytime. Even if it's sunny, you can water them, and they grow very well. Yeah, so you can see these are the yams. Wow. Yeah, so they started from the other end and they're remaining with this part, which is the front part. I think they will be coming back to finish up. I don't know if I can find my way here so that I show you guys how this looks like. This is another drainage here, you know. Yeah, you see, this place is so swampy. So if you step, like you miss your step, then you go into the water or a ditch. So have to be very much careful. So guys, you can see from that end, that is the main road over there. Yeah, and here we have a lot of kales planted over there. Yeah, I don't know you guys if you can notice, this is Nasto's home. Yeah, so just near where we planted the kales. And we also have another yams over there, but they are for someone else. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if you can find our way here. See, swampy. A lot of water. I wish I could have put on my gumboots so that we can be more careful. So yeah, this is how it is here in the village. So it's very good that today we did the video, like village grandma wants to approach the, or to get the person who will buy the yams. She got one, like the second day after the video. So that is very nice, guys. The information is going worldwide. So yeah, so this is it, guys. They started uprooting from here. Wow. Let me show you these beautiful buds over here. Don't know if they will run away. They're just here near. Yeah. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. Hey, this place is swampy. Don't know if you can see from that end. Let me show you. Wow. They are so beautiful. Yeah, let's try and see how they fly. Oh, they're not afraid, guys. Yeah, so anyway guys, the sun is going down from this side. Wow, so it's about time to go back home, guys. Yeah, and relax. Yeah, it was a good day, a good ride from my village Nyabuansi to the county, to the main offices in the county, our county, that is Migori County, guys. Yeah, I was privileged today to ride on the motorbike, master motorbike. Yeah, Time Master's motorbike. So guys, let's wish him all the best in his travels. Yeah, so even me one day I want maybe to own a motorbike which is my own, and a good ride like Time Masters, so that I can I believe in myself. I'm also a master in riding motorbikes, so I believe one day maybe I'll own one like that, and also try and travel, yeah, in the country and outside, so that we can explore with you guys. So I want to say thank you so much, and God bless you abundantly. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you so much for, yeah, wow, see the, yeah. So anyway guys, thank you so much. God bless you abundantly. Keep on subscribing. We are on the road to success, road to 20,000 subscribers. Peace and love, positive vibes, and until our next video, guys, I love you. Peace and love. Remember to always pray and have that peace. And I always say that I'm one person who will be there for anyone that needs help. I will always be there and support anyone, including all kind of all genders. That is all genders. So, and if you don't feel like you don't need my help, it's also okay, but let's maintain peace and love and positive vibes. So guys, until our next video, keep on watching. Tomorrow we have a very hot video, guys. Don't miss. Peace and love and positive vibes. Until our next video, guys, I love you.